Okay, I've had a question about the assignment where we were looking at stamping circles out of rolls of sheet metal. Okay, so we had two different configurations, and the question came down to the spacing and the width of the rolls. Okay, so one of the configurations is shown in the top here, and if you were going to find the width, if you know the radius of the circle, you can figure out these distances, all right, because you just follow the radius down and you can easily get the total distance between this point and this point. Okay, and I think that I gave you the answer being 10.5 inches for that. Okay, well, if you stack the circle cutouts in a slightly different way, you can get a savings in the total material. And so the idea here is to look at how it's stacked, all right, and you can notice these triangles. Okay, so here's a triangle, here's another triangle, and so forth and so on. And from the geometry of this, we know that this is an equilateral triangle. You know, all the distances on each side would be, here's an R, here's another R, so that's 2R. All right, so based on that, the idea here is that you can then find the height of the triangle. All right, so I'm going to change colors. All right, here's a height, here's another height, here's the third height. Okay, so you have that, and then the rest of the width would just be, you add on the radius. Okay, so you'd have 3 H's, where H is the height of the triangle, plus 2 R's to get the total width for the second configuration. All right, so just use a little trigonometry to figure out the height of the equilateral triangles, and you're good to go.